video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I never expected when I started a YouTube channel. Firstly, I never expected to enjoy it so much. I know that there are millions of children the world over that would love to be YouTubers one day. That is not something that I ever aspired to, just a normal stay-at-home mom. I'm enjoying sharing with you all the things that I've learned. I'm enjoying the editing process, and I love interacting with all the people who comment. And I really never expected to enjoy it as much as I do. Secondly, I never expected my family to be as supportive as they have been. I actually thought that they would think that a YouTube channel about mom stuff would be quite lame, and that they wouldn't want to be in any of the videos. But they love being in the videos, and they also love watching my videos, even though it's not kid-related stuff. I thought that my husband might think that doing YouTube is a waste of time, because the chances of being monetized are so small, but he has been so supportive. He knows a lot about computers, and seeing as I'm a bit technologically challenged, he's really been of great help to me and hasn't complained once with all the hundreds of questions that I've been asking him. My family have made becoming a YouTuber something to be proud of. Thirdly, I never expected the small YouTuber community to be as supportive as they are. I was expecting to have lots of dislikes on my videos and nasty comments, and I was really steeling myself that I must not be affected by this and I must just push through and ignore all the negative comments. And it hasn't been like that at all. People have been so kind and so supportive, and I really want to thank you for all the kindness that you've shown me. I also love watching other channels that the YouTube algorithm would never have put on my feed. I've seen the most beautiful places that I may never be able to go and see with my own two eyes. I've learned to make foods that I didn't even know existed, and my family has experienced the benefit of me trying to make them as well. I've met some lovely new families and enjoyed being part of their special celebrations like Halloween, which is not really celebrated in the country that I come from. And I've also been able to be part of their loss as they pay tribute to loved ones who have passed away. I have even started watching gaming channels. Many times, as a noob, I sit there thinking, what on earth is happening? How does this work? But slowly and surely, this old brain of mine is starting to get it. I never expected to be doing cooking videos. I am no chef or a baker, but I've come to realize that providing food for my family takes up a big part of my day, and that many of the tips and tricks to make my life simpler and easier involve cooking. So the type of cooking videos you'll see on my channel are generally really quick and easy, flop-proof recipes that my family love. I never expected that doing something in front of a camera would make it take 3 times longer to complete a task. One of the whole reasons why I decided to start a YouTube channel was to encourage myself to do some of the things on my to-do list and to take you along on the journey with me. I also thought that perhaps by doing this, I'd really be encouraged to do things to a much better quality, knowing that someone is watching me. But I never realized that it would take so much longer. With all the setting up of the camera, taking the videos from all different sides, refilming things that didn't work so well, it really takes a lot longer to do any job, but it is definitely worth the wait. I never realized how noisy our house is. I always try to make videos at a time when I expect everything to be quite quiet. But true as Bob, there is always someone talking in the back of my videos, or a machine that's busy going, or a doorbell, or a phone that's ringing. So I've had to make some changes, and voiceovers have become my friend. I'll seldom do a chatty video like this one, where I need a really quiet background. I never knew that I had such funny facial expressions when I spoke. I thought I had this calm, flat face that you could not see what I was feeling. But now I see that my facial expression changes the whole time when I'm speaking, and people can see exactly what I feel on the inside. I never knew that it would take about 100 takes on a video just to look natural. It looks so easy to just take a video of whatever you are doing, or to share what you're thinking with other people. Other vloggers seem to just press record and share whatever is on their mind with such eloquence and all the right words. But for me, as soon as I press that record button, all thoughts flee from my head. I can't even say the simplest sentence. I stutter and mispronounce words the whole time. So for me to look natural, it means taking a video 100 times over. And I've learned to write down everything I want to say beforehand and put my notes next to my camera so that I can read them. I never expected to need to do that just to be natural. I never expected to need to buy stuff to improve my videos. I thought I would be able to do it all on my really old phone and really old computer. But I can see that if I want to continue doing this, I will need to invest in some better equipment. I'm going to try to push on with what I have for now. But once I'm monetized, I plan to invest in the professional version of the apps I use regularly and to get a better phone, computer, lighting and sound. So thank you guys so much for being so accepting of the videos I am able to produce with my limited equipment at the moment. I never expected it to be so all-encompassing. Doing YouTube videos has taken over my life. I wake up in the middle of the night thinking, I must remember to do this or that, or I must say it like this or say it like that. Whenever I'm doing just normal everyday things, I think to myself, oh, I must remember to video this, and then that normal everyday thing takes 3 times longer. And when I have some off time, instead of just vegging out and watching something to entertain me, I choose to watch other small YouTubers trying to remember to like and comment with every video.
Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. So now for the real deal.
I have a confession to make. Before I started my YouTube channel, I had never subscribed, commented or liked any video beforehand. I know your mouth is most probably hanging open in utter horror, but no matter how many times the creator said, please like, comment and subscribe, it really helps my channel, it somehow never occurred to me to do it. I even went as far to forbid my children from doing it, because I didn't know what would happen if we did. Would we start paying? Would we get all sorts of spam? I didn't know. But perhaps it is a good thing, because the comments that kids write are sometimes unintelligible. And so I'd like to apologize to all the wonderful YouTubers that I've watched over the years and have learned so much from. Thank you for the wonderful work that you do, and from now on I promise to like and comment and subscribe. Bye! See you next week.